In this video, you will explore the best AI video generating tools. Our first tool is Pictory AI. Now let's explore the core features of Pictory AI. Script to video. This basically means that you can enter your script directly into Pictory. With just a click, it will automatically generate a complete video for you. Article to video. Have an article you want to transform. This is where you paste its URL, and Pictory will convert it into a seamless, faceless video in seconds. Edit videos using text. Here you can upload your own video clips and edit them directly through text, making changes faster and more intuitive than ever. Visuals to video. Again, upload your visuals and clips, then customize and edit the video exactly the way you envision it. PPT to video. Upload your PowerPoint presentation and Pictory AI will generate a stunning video for you. Let's get started by script to video feature. Enter a name for your video. I am planning to create a video on healthy lifestyle for adults. Next, you have to write a script for your video over here. AI is taking over every aspect of our lives. So, I asked ChatGPT to write a script on a healthy lifestyle and paste it over here. Now, if you highlight all the important event in the script, AI will pick best visual for those highlighted events for you. Let's not change the settings and go with auto settings. Click on Proceed. Pictory will take a couple of minutes to generate video for you. It took about 30 seconds and my entire video is done. This is the Pictory AI storyboard where your script is divided into scenes and this is where your video is made. Here you can see the duration of each scene, and from here you can change the orientation of your video from landscape to portrait to square. Now I'm going to show you step by step how you can customize it using all these features available. So back to the first scene, which you can find right here, is about the intro that "Are you ready for a healthy lifestyle?" So what Pictory AI will then do is we'll find footage that matches what is being talked about. If we then click on preview from here, the visual will be previewed. Pictory have also automatically added subtitles to your video, as well as you can add an AI voiceover or upload our own voiceover to the video to complete it. But what if you don't like any specific clip? Don't worry. Click on the visuals, type in what type of visuals do you want. Pictory will instantly give you multiple options of the clips for the replacement from its stock visual. And that is how you can change the clip of any scene as per your requirement. Let me replace some clips to make a perfect video. This is extremely convenient. You don't need any video editing skills. Now in the second scene, I can see a lot of text. You can split the scene into multiple scenes as well. Just place the cursor where you want the scene to get splitted and click on split. It's that easy. But to change the clip of splited scene, you need to unlink both scene and then change the clip. Great, but I can only see the clips and captions. So in Pictory AI, you have to add the voiceover separately from the audio feature. Here you can add the background music first. I prefer you to filter the background music you want for your video from here and preview different options. I would like to keep it simple, so I will choose Reflections. Now click on Voiceovers. Here you can add your own voice, or Pictory AI is integrated with 11 Labs. You can choose any voice from these 11 Labs voice. Let's try Daniel.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end, may also be the beginning.
No. I will rather go for a female voice for this video. What about Annabelle? Click on Preview.
The beginning of knowledge is the discovery of something we do not understand.
Yeah, it's better. There is no hustle. You just have to click on Generate, and there you go. Pictory is now generating the voiceover for your video and automatically apply it to your project, as well as automatically sync it, which leaves no editing or no skills required for you. As soon as this hits 100%, you're done and the voiceover is applied. You can also customize the volume of background music and voiceover from here. I will keep it this way. Let's preview the changes.
Are you ready to live your best life? A healthy lifestyle isn't just about hitting the gym.
Additionally, what you can do is you can change the style of the video, which you can either choose from the styles library. Now this will include the fonts as well as the colors, etc. And you can also save them to My Styles so that you can always work with your favorites. In order to then apply one of these to your video, all you need to do is click right here, Apply to All Scenes. It's pretty good and readable. Now, if you click on the text over the video, you can easily change the font size, colors, and alignment of the text. Now, if you want some additional text in your video, click on Text feature and add the text from here. For example, I want the introduction to be more prominent, so I will add a prominent text over here like this. Next comes branding. If you have a brand and you want the custom fonts, colors, or logo for it, you can save the settings and create your brand in Pictory AI. Let's skip it for now and move on to format. You can change the resolution and aspect ratio of your video as per your need. If you want the video for YouTube, keep it landscape, but if you want the video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, change it to portrait. Additionally, you can use emojis, stickers, and GIFs in your video as well. My video is now done. You can preview it from here.
Ready to live your best life. A healthy lifestyle isn't just.
And if you got satisfied, then simply click on download. You want to see the results? Let's play.
Are you ready to live your best life? A healthy lifestyle isn't just about hitting the gym. It's about balance, mindfulness, and making small, consistent changes that transform your life. Good health starts with what's on your plate. Focus on eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water.
Next comes to article to video. Click on URL to article. All you need to do is take the URL of the article and paste it over here. For example, I am copying this article on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle and pasting it here. Next, click on Generate. Pictory will extract the article and take all the important key messages from the article. Here is how the interface looks like. Now you need to highlight all the key events from the article, and Pictory will shift all highlighted text into the scenes. Similarly, you can also remove any scene by clicking on the bin icon. Once you added all the scenes, click on Next, and all the other steps are exactly same as I have showed you before in script to video feature. Once again, you can customize anything you like, and that is how you can generate a video from the article. Done. Next comes AI Video Editor. Simply click to proceed and upload your video or audio file up to 1 gigabyte. For example, I want to create highlight of this video. I will upload the video from the files and click Upload. This is how the interface of AI Video Editor will look like. Your word-to-word script is extracted here, and this is your video. Now for creating the highlights, I will select the script and click on Add to Highlights. Like this. Download the highlights. You can also create hundreds of clips of one video. Again, just select the script and click on Download. The clip will be generated, and it's that easy. From here, you can change the text and style of the captions. And if you click on Customize Video, Pictory will direct you to the editor, which is exactly same as script to video and URL to video. I will not go into the details of this again. Let's play the clip we generated.
For example, for an accountant graduate, your degree is just one dial. But to stand out, you need more than just that because it's too common. Now adding the CPA certificate in your second dial and auditing certificate is your third. Now this unique combination will difficult to crack and will set you apart from others.
Great. Now let's check the highlights we create from Pictory.
These 4 important career development queries. Each dial on the lock represents a different skill, qualification, or for engineering graduates, combine your IT degree with certifications in cybersecurity. Elon Musk is a prime example.
Just amazing. Next, we have the visuals to video feature, which essentially creates a slideshow from the images you upload. Following that is the PPT to video feature, enabling you to transform PowerPoint presentations into engaging videos. At this point, I believe you have a solid understanding of how to use Pictory AI. But if you're excited to try Pictory AI yourself, I've included a link in the description where you can sign up for free, and if you want to upgrade to a paid plan, which I highly recommend, you can use this special code at checkout to save 20% on any Pictory AI plan. Our next AI video generating tool is InVideo. With InVideo AI, you can create a complete video from script to voiceover and video footage, all from a single prompt. To get started, log into your InVideo account. I've provided a link in the description for you to sign up for free. This is your interface where you can insert your prompt and direct InVideo to create your video. Make sure you've selected the v3.0 model to take advantage of all the latest updates. You don't need to write the full script, but it's important to include all the details about your video. For example, I want to create the video on the same topic, healthy lifestyle for adults. I am creating 1 minute long video. I am also specifying in video the creative directions like include attractive visuals, healthy activities, scenes of nutritious meal, relaxing backgrounds, engaging text fonts, background music, and a professional voiceover. And by the way, you can create 5-minute, 10-minute, and even 30-minute long videos. Now click on Generate a Video. What InVideo AI is now going to do is going to analyze the prompt that you gave, and it might take a few minutes depending on how long that prompt was. Next, they're going to ask you who you want to make the video for, and it's really important because the filters that you apply right here will decide how your video turns out and whether it will attract your target audience or not. Filter the details and click on Continue, and there we go. InVideo will analyze visuals, voiceover, and background music. Then your entire video is done. Let's preview how our video currently looks like.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Your health is your greatest wealth. Let's make it shine. Start your day with a healthy routine. Begin with a jog or a yoga session to kickstart your energy. Exercise regularly to keep your body strong and your mind sharp.
All right, this looks pretty good. I'm happy with the background music and the voiceover. And don't worry about the quality. InVideo AI will enhance it automatically during the export process. Now let's move on to customization. You can tweak anything you don't like. For example, I'm giving InVideo a command to write bold, prominent text for the introduction. After clicking Generate, InVideo will automatically create beautiful, attention-grabbing text. You can also manually edit anything you want. Simply click on Edit button right here to make adjustments. Here you can see the entire clips and script related to each click. So if I want to replace this clip, I will click on it, and here you can upload your own clip or replace it with stock footage. It's already giving options for this script, or just type in what you want. InVideo uses stock footage from platforms like iStock, Storyblocks, Pexel, and a lot more, which are high-quality video sources. So here's a tip. If you've got any InVideo AI subscription, all of these premium stock footage clips come with it. You don't need to buy any of these platforms separately. And if you use this special code at checkout, you can get 50 additional AI minutes as gift, which worth $30. Also, if you are a premium member, you can describe your scene and generate your own custom clips as well. You can select the duration and dimensions of the clip. I absolutely love these features, so it's a win-win situation. I can now scroll through here and simply find a clip that I like and click on Replace, and then click on Apply Changes. You can also change the duration of any clip, go to Media Info, and from here you can change the duration of that clip. Click on Apply Changes, and here you go. All right, so what about the script? Click on the script, and here you can see the entire script is divided into scene. You can change any scene you don't like simply from here, or you can also remove any part of the script as well. This is the music automatically chosen by InVideo, but if you want to upload your own music, you can do that as well. Click on Save Changes, and all changes will be applied. Another wow feature of InVideo AI, first click on these 3 lines, and then click on Voices. And from here, you can generate the clone of your own voice within InVideo AI. And wait, you can convert your own voice into 50 other languages as well. It's just amazing. Once you are satisfied with your video, next step is to download it. Click on Download, and InVideo will ask for few settings. Click on Continue, and your video will be downloaded. Let's preview the final results of InVideo AI.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Your health is your greatest wealth. Start your day with a healthy routine. Begin with a jog or a yoga session to kickstart your energy. Exercise regularly to keep your body strong and your mind sharp. Fuel your body with whole, unprocessed foods. Remember, hydration is key.
Wow, it's just amazing! So, if you asked for my opinion, both InVideo AI and Pictory AI are powerful video creation tools. InVideo AI stands out with its ability to generate videos entirely from prompts, and Pictory AI is great for generating videos from script and URL. The voice cloning feature of InVideo is a great addition, while Pictory is integrated with 11 Labs. When it comes to editing, InVideo has a slight edge due to its automatic editing capabilities through prompts And in Pictory, you can easily create video highlights and shorts. In terms of video quality, both tools are equally impressive, delivering professional results. However, for pricing, Pictory AI is more affordable. Plus, you can get an additional 20% discount using my promo code on Pictory AI and can also get 50 additional AI minutes using my promo code on InVideo AI. Rewind and watch the result of both the tools again and decide yourself which tool better suits you. These promo codes are exclusively available for the first 100 subscriptions, so don't miss out, and I highly recommend grabbing this special deal. In the next video, we'll introduce a tool that requires no script, no stock videos, and lets you create unique AI-generated, animated, and human-like videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.